Hi everyone! Ito yung favorite ko so far na treadmill. This is M10. It's a My High from GoFund PH. So we have 3 different variants. Kung makikita nyo, ito po yung pinaka-panel natin. So sa panel, makikita nyo yung speed, yung pulse rate. So hawak lang kayo dito sa metal na to. Yan, dalawang kamay nyo, hawak lang dyan para makita nyo yung pulse rate. And then the distance, the time, and the possible calories na nababurn nyo na po. So makikita nyo dito yung start and stop button natin. Pwede kayong mag-advance to 3, 6, 9 kph. And dito naman yung pag-increase or decrease ng speed natin. So, ang pag-increase and decrease niya is 0.1. Yan, ganun yun. Kunyari, 1, 1.1, 1.2. So, ganun yung pag-increase and decrease niya. And this one is a safety magnet. Once na tinanggal nyo siya, makikita nyo parang may error siya. E7 nakalagay. So, make sure nakalagay po yan. This one, nilalagay po siya or kiniklip siya sa inyong katawan while you are using the treadmill po. So that if ever ma-aksidente, mapul nyo po yung pinaka-ano natin, magpo-full stop po yan. Magpo-full stop yung ating treadmill and wala nang ma-aksident pa na iba. Kasi naka-full stop na siya. So yan po siya. This one is the luxury po. So this is complete na po itong package na to, yung luxury natin. Kaya ito yung pinaka-favorite ko with the massager. Ito yung pinaka-strap po ng massager natin. So this one ang luxury natin, again, meron siyang speed, distance, time, calorie tracker, and pulse rate monitor, plus the Bluetooth speaker. Yan, Bluetooth speaker, and the mobile application po. Yung mobile application po na yon, you will just scan that QR code, and mare-redirect po kayo dun sa FitShow na app. That app, you can track and record your activities, and marami po yung programs to choose from. So, ito siya, ng buo. Ang ganda nito. This is my, personal favorite treadmill. Yung width po niya is 19.5 inches, 46.5 po yung length po niya.